up from my premonition. I couldn't feel your warmth, I couldn't find you. So I flipped out, I ran into the kitchen. I found a little note saying I'll be back soon. Relief came with a little breath. With nothing else to do, I headed back to the room. When I saw the clock was hitting midnight, your clothes were all packed and the dog was gone too. So what do I do?
Welcome back. Today I have a tutorial on the makeup look I'm wearing right now, and actually in today's video I tried to recreate a makeup look that I saw on my feed because she's my friend. So I tried to recreate this makeup look from my beautiful friend right here. I'm going to insert the picture. Please insert the picture. Her name is Aroni. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce your name. She's absolutely gorgeous, talented. Wow, she's amazing. If you guys don't know her, what you're doing with your life, what you're doing, you have to follow her. She's so talented. Oh my god. So today I tried to recreate this makeup look. Obviously I don't have the eyeshadow palette that she used to create this makeup look, so I searched and I looked in my makeup collection and I used what I thought it was similar to the shades she used. Keep in mind that I'm using a lot of products in today's video because I have like one eyeshadow in this palette, then one eyeshadow in this other palette. So yeah, I'm using like 5 eyeshadow palettes. So yeah, I'm going to have all the products listed down below. Also, I'm going to have her Instagram and YouTube down below. Please follow her. Wow, wow, I need to take I'm going to have her link down below. Just give her a follow. She follows me and I follow her. You know that what friends are for. We are friends on Instagram and we do DM each other's. I'm a little bit proud, you know. She's absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, if you guys want to see, I struggled a little bit, okay? I struggled. It's not easy to follow other people makeup tutorials when you want to make it perfect because, you know, I had high expectations. Anyway, don't put yourself under the pressure. It's not worth it. At the end of the day, it's just makeup, okay? Anyway, if you guys want to see how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. As my base, I use the Anastasia one today. I kind of want to change it a little bit because I feel like I'm using way too much the P. Louise one and I still don't know how I feel about it. She starts with the darker shade, which I'm kind of scared. And also she's using very tiny detail brushes, and that's smart if you want to be very precise and you don't want to mess it up. So I have my brushes prepared. You see, that's why I don't like to start with darker shades because this won't blend out. I don't know how she does it. It doesn't work for me. I don't like it. It looks awful. Right now, I'm about to take this off because I don't like it. Oh my god, I hate this so much. No, I'm not doing this. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Why did I thought this would be easier? Like, why? I'm just cleaning my brushes now because I'm going to use the same brushes. You know, I don't have like a bunch of brushes. So I'm starting with Cafecito now. This is more like a reddish brown and okay. Next, I'm taking a clean brush and I'm going to blend a little bit this. I don't think it's working. Taking this brush again. Next, I'm going to take again the Lepiodolite shade from Focallure. And I'm going to go right on top. Next, I'm going to go with pumpkin spice, just a little bit. See how this goes. Okay, I feel like it looks okay. Next I'm going to take the color Suede from Tati palette, matte Suede, and I'm going to apply this like, you know, like a transition shade. So she goes backwards from dark to light. That's not what I like to do, but I don't know, I kind of nailed it. Not bad, but not my best. I mean, it's not even finished. Why do I talk? So I'm going to go back with lavio dolite and cafecito, and I'm going to darken a little bit more. Okay, not bad actually. And next I'm going to go with pumpkin spice. Okay, next she's using a matte liquid eyeshadow from Huda Beauty. I do not have that, so I took a little bit of this eyeshadow from the Latte one eyeshadow palette. I'm telling you, I'm going to use a lot of palettes in today's video. So I took a little bit of this shade right here. This is called Hazelnut, and I mixed it with a little bit of that Anastasia eye primer. So I kind of created this color, and I'm going to use it as a base. I still want something sticky, you know, because then I'm going to go with some shimmers on top. So I'm going to go with this one. Actually, that looks hella cute. So I'm going to pack this a lot because this is more like a topper than a shimmer. So I'm packing a lot, and I'm going to go right on top. And right on top of that, she used a golden kind of champagne color, and I think I'm going to go with Pop Up Chrome eyeshadow. Is gorgeous. Alright, so this is the color. It's a little bit messy, as you can see. So she applied this right in the center of that shimmer. Oh, you guys see that? I think I got this in one of the Look Fantastic boxes. Oh my god, the camera doesn't pick how gold and beautiful the color is. Okay, on the bottom lashes I'm going to go first with the cafecito, and this is the darkest color. And as I was doing this eye, I remembered that she used a black eyeshadow. I'm not gonna use a black eyeshadow now because I feel like I will mess up this look, so I think I'm going to stay away from the black. So yeah, so I'm going to apply that on the waterline as well. Next I'm going to go with lepidolite, and I'm going to blend that brown out just a little bit, and also I'm going to connect the bottom with the top. Ooh, bless you. Next I'm going to take this brush, and I'm going to go with pumpkin spice. Pumpkin, I feel like I don't say that right. Pumpkin spice, and I'm going to blend everything out, and again I'm going to connect the bottom with the top. And I don't know why, but I kind of want to apply glitter in the center. I have this golden topaz. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let me show you the glitter I'm talking about. I used this before, so it's nothing new, but it's like a pressed glitter. So I'm going to take a little bit, and I'm going to apply it right in the center. Oh, this is messy. That's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so very quick, I'm going to line only my lash line, and I'm going to apply the lashes, and I'm going to come back to do the lips, and that's it. Okay, wait, I forgot to highlight the inner corners. I'm going to use the Anastasia and Nicole, and I'm going to use Glow Getter. Okay, so I just applied lashes. I used the Hello Lavio lashes in the style Istanbul. If you guys know any good lashes and not that expensive, please let me know down below, because, you know, I want to try other brands. So I did apply the lashes and a little bit of this Tarte mascara. Also, I lined my lips with the BFF liner from Colourpop. Now I'm going to highlight my face, and I think I'm going to use the same highlight I used in my inner corner. I have 3 lipsticks that I never used before. This one I got in Look Fantastic box, but I feel like I want to go with Bali. No, I'm going to go with Hawaii, even though this is a little bit too pink-ish kinda. Ah, it smells so good. No, it's not that pink. Why did I thought this is pink? Anyway. Feels like water. So I just want a little bit of color. You know what? I think I'm going to go with a little bit of Bali right in the center. Alright, so this is the final look. I have to say that I put myself under so much pressure. My brain does that because I wanted to make this as perfect as possible, as identical as possible, but it doesn't have to be that way. You don't have to get frustrated because it doesn't turns out like the picture, you know, you're following, or like the tutorial you're following. It doesn't have to be like that. Just put your own twist on it, make it yours, you know. It doesn't have to be identical. So yeah, I put myself under so much pressure. It's not identical, not even close, you know, because I don't have the exact shades she used. But you know, oh my god, my hands are shaking. I'm not even joking right now. I was so tense, like, I want to make this perfect. Don't do that. Don't put yourself under pressure because you're gonna get frustrated and things gonna go downhill fast. You saw I started with some colors. I didn't like that. I wiped that off and started again. It's just makeup. You don't have to get frustrated. You don't have to get frustrated because it doesn't turn out like in the picture. So don't do what I do what I say. Okay, again, don't do what I do what I say. So yeah, try to not put yourself under the pressure when you're recreating makeup looks, makeup tutorials, whatever, because you know the end result, it might not look exactly with what you had in your mind, and probably you're gonna get disappointed. So overall, don't have high expectations. Just go with the flow, play with the makeup. It's just makeup. If you don't like it, wipe it off, start again. So yeah, that's that. I have to say that my hands are shaking because I was like, I want to make this perfect, I want to make this perfect. It's not perfect, but looks cute, you know. It's not identical, it's similar. Okay, don't forget to check the description bar below because I'm going to have all the products that I used in today's video listed down below. Also, I'm going to have Aroni's Instagram and YouTube. Go and follow her. She's amazing. She's so talented. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Bye. I don't know what I'm doing.